the people walking back, that's so sketchy. Oh, it's a grill.
I'm not going. Yeah, we got two.
Of course.
We're gonna make sure it goes with you.
This guy.
What is this, 49, right?
Yeah, 2419, 49.
What's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop. I'm not anymore, and that's okay. I do these videos every single day where I walk into a brand new body camera footage video using my law enforcement experience to break it down in real time as though I'm responding to the call. I believe that's the best way to give you a raw glimpse into how the cop brain is working. And with my law enforcement background, I've got that cop brain. That could be good, that could be bad. That's beside the point. Without fail, though, there's always one question that stands out on social media, on the videos, in the comments. One question everyone wants to know, and that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? What are the cops doing? Why'd they shoot that black man? That black man didn't deserve that. So why'd they shoot him? So I'm here to answer those questions and whatever else pops up in today's video, which comes from Code BlueCam. It is titled, How a Teen's Dairy Queen Order Ended in Total Disaster. Never seen it? Let's jump in.
In June 2024, a Dairy Queen in Wauwatosa, Wisconsin, was notified of an online food order exceeding $200. Shortly after,
That's normal, isn't it? That price? I could eat me some Dairy Queen is what I'm trying to say.
a woman called the store to report fraudulent use of her credit card after receiving a bank alert about an unauthorized transaction at Dairy Queen. Moments after the phone call, 3 individuals entered the Dairy Queen. One of them, later identified as 17-year-old Shamar, was wearing a mask and presented his phone displaying the online order. However, the store refused to hand over the food, choosing to wait for the police to arrive. Shamar and the other 2 individuals returned to their vehicle, unaware that police were nearby observing them as Dairy Queen employees exited the store and pointed toward their car. The officer trailed them for a short distance before deciding to initiate a traffic stop.
Some might be asking why he chose to wait so long. If there were no other police with him, if a cop thinks a traffic stop's going to turn into a pursuit, sometimes he'll wait to light the car up, meaning activate the emergency lighting equipment, until he's got other squad cars with him.
I'm 81 with it. 6500 block of Meineke.
However, as Chamar's vehicle came to a halt, one of the passengers suddenly exited and ran for his life.
Always stay with the vehicle. Many officers will choose to run after the suspect. Meanwhile, that suspect is just a runner that they use to distract them so that the actual criminals can get away.
Driver, put the vehicle in park. Stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle! We got...
The way he's holding that arm close to his waist is worrisome. It means he's trying to keep something from falling out of his waistband. Possibly a gun.
1 running. Eastbound, I'm with the car. Southbound, 6-5 from Meineke. Black male, black top, black pants. I'm with the vehicle right now. 206 is going after him.
Way to stay with the vehicle. Smart.
Driver! Open the window now!
While ordering the driver to exit, he noticed the brake lights activate before the car suddenly fled the traffic stop.
Classic. Always keep an eye on those brake lights.
Vehicle just took off. Put me in pursuit for suspicious activity. Northbound 6-5 from Meineke.
Also, these Ford Explorers suck in pursuits. That's what we had. And we had the eco-friendly version.
Through right northbound. Speeds are 56. No traffic. Dry roads, no pedestrians. Coming up the center right now. See, bud?
This is super
As Chamar
sketchy.
and the 12-year-old female passenger drove through an intersection, they crashed into another vehicle.
Crash 6-5.
That actually could have been a lot worse. What I was saying was residential pursuits are sketch.
Then center. I have to leave it.
Gotta stay with the victim.
I'm at 6-5 in center. Whoever's chasing has come in.
While the officer stopped to render aid, another pursued Chamar as he continued driving recklessly through the city.
These
However,
cops are doing a
the
good job.
officer eventually lost sight of him and terminated the pursuit.
263 southbound 71 turning eastbound on Lloyd.
As an assisting unit responded to the area, he happened to encounter Chamar's vehicle.
Chamar?
60 Lloyd.
Chamar, you were supposed to hide!
16. Eastbound traffic's light. It's kind of too long, so it's past 65, but almost to 60.
Suspicious.
49, I have it eastbound on Lloyd. I'm gonna be going northbound on 59. Technically,
This is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that he keeps entering these residential areas because he's trying to get to a specific house to run into.
one way, no other traffic.
That's usually the case.
Speeds are about 50, continuing northbound, coming up to Garfield. And Adam William John, 8546, still northbound on 59.
Honestly, Chamar's a pretty damn good driver. I'll give him that.
Eastbound on north from 59, I'm right on it. Speeds about 30. Eastbound on north coming up to 55.
See, the-
Passing in oncoming traffic, right through the green.
The
Speeds
people,
about 45.
the people walking back, that's so sketchy. I'm not sure that I would
Eastbound coming
continue
up to
this
51,
pursuit.
slowing for the red. Still eastbound on north from 51, speeds about 45. Medium traffic, eastbound north from 49, coming up to Lisbon.
Oh my.
Through the red, eastbound at Lisbon.
Good job on the cop to also not go into oncoming traffic.
Eastbound from 46 and north. Past the car and oncoming traffic, back in the right way of traffic coming up to Sherman.
I'm gonna guess this isn't all over some Dairy Queen.
Through the green at Sherman and north, still eastbound. Gonna be going north on Grant from North Ave. And Tosa 249 pursuit, black.
So I don't know why the primary is calling the pursuit, meaning calling traffic conditions, etc. Usually it's the secondary unit who does that, but maybe it's because this guy's been pursuing the whole time and he's had secondaries come and go.
Got journey northbound Grant from Heineke. Speeds about 35. Still westbound on Heineke from Sherman. Speeds are about 50. Went through the stop sign at about 47.
He soon failed to navigate a turn and crashed into a light pole, after which both occupants fled on foot.
Still continuing
I take that back.
westbound on
Chamar is
Heineke,
not a
back
good
up
driver.
to about 5'8". Crash, 5'8" and Heineke.
Go, go, go! Oh shit. Just fucking that person's yard up. Oh my gosh.
Car is clear. You went westbound.
In foot pursuit, westbound. I'm a fucking case.
Dude, did he tase the other kid and then keep running for this kid? What a badass, dude.
While one officer captured the passenger, the other pursued Chamar until a fence defied the law of gravity.
Get on the ground. Play with him. Roll over. Do it. Give me your back. Get on the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
Dude, I'm clear.
I don't care how old you are. Shut up. Shut up!
Hands behind your back.
2419, behind 2419, in the alleyway, off Meineke.
49-2 in custody. I'll grab it.
No, you don't know where
Or two in custody. And I just want to confirm
Yeah, I'll grab it. Relax.
Right here, around the corner, around the corner.
Is that dope?
Could you grab my teeth? Could you grab my teeth?
Yep, it's right there.
Could you grab? Hold on.
Excuse me, your
No,
teeth?
this is it. Yep.
You're 12. Your teeth should be in your mouth. What are you talking about?
Nate, I've only saw 2 bail.
Are you okay? You injured at all?
No.
You're not injured?
No.
I'm gonna roll you over, okay? You got anything on you, boss? You don't have anything on you? Okay. You're not injured at all, okay? Okay, I'm gonna sit you up. Just sit up, all right? Catch your breath. Can you put that in my mouth? My boy?
Oh, it's a grill.
I'm not doing anything. Yeah, we got 2.
Of course.
We're gonna make sure it goes with you.
This guy.
Was this 49, right?
Yeah, 2419, 49.
All right, you good? Can you stand up? All right, let's change you up, boss. That's mine.
While searching Chamar, officers found a driver's license and credit card belonging to another individual, which was later confirmed to be stolen.
Oh, interesting. But he's 12. I thought he didn't commit crimes.
I just gotta grab his stuff.
You're not injured at all, are you? Okay.
You guys got a path? Huh? Where's this path? Right here?
I need to mow.
No, he came from the alley. I got him right here.
63, we're going to walk them southbound out to Meineke.
Right over here, right around here.
We'll take them with the car.
That's mine, yeah. Thank you. Here you go, wait. Appreciate it. Oh, yeah.
There's always a fun little interaction between cops and suspects after the heat of the moment's all said and done. It's really a great time to get to know who you're dealing with. And usually it is really, it's playful banter. It's usually talk of how good of a driver the suspect is and how fast they are on foot.
I'm really sorry about that, man. Thanks. It was locked though. I remember the lock. Oh yeah, they're burning right now. He's right here. Walking back with him.
Who's still running lights? Oh, it's their cars. They haven't turned them off.
You guys, why would y'all up the ground like y'all were gonna shoot me? That's why I pulled off. When you first pull out someone else, you don't just pull your gun out.
That's a felony stop.
You don't just pull nobody over up the gun.
Why do the female officers always have their hands in their pockets? How many videos have we seen where the female officers have their hands in their pockets? Get your hand out of your pocket. And that's your gun hand. What are you doing?
Okay. Nope. We got information in the car here and stolen, that's why.
Your car's not stolen.
Okay.
Nope, yep, you will check. That's my mom's car.
Okay, sounds good.
Stolen.
Kiddo, where are your shoes?
Car isn't stolen.
Yeah, I got one of them. Here. Spread your feet.
And that's at 49 in my
I wonder what they ordered from Dairy Queen.
5 north 36th.
Hopefully a chicken strip
My
basket.
shoes, there go one in that backyard, that black shoe.
Chicken strip basket or the flamethrower burger.
Yeah, I'll grab them.
Did you put it on my feet? Could I get that one on my feet?
Yeah, give me 1 second. Thank you. Is that all his stuff?
Yeah, this is everything we took off back there, minus the shoe, whatever he's talking about.
No, he lost in the yards.
Sunglasses right here.
Perfect. Thank you.
Perfect. Awesome, man.
These are some really cool houses.
Can you roll down the window for me?
Yeah. Huh?
It's a cool neighborhood. I
I'm
love
trying.
this house.
I'm gonna go
I love this house.
find his phone and yeah, we'll go. Okay. End of contact.
In the end, Jamar was charged with felony counts of operator fleeing, eluding an officer, causing bodily harm, first-degree recklessly
Oh, yeah, yeah. The bodily harm was to that blue Honda or whatever it was that he hit.
endangering safety, ×2, second-degree recklessly endangering safety, misdemeanor hit and run, and he was eventually released on a $10,000 cash bond. 6 months later,
I love how the judges give the juveniles big bonds, but actual, like, hardcore criminals, $2,500 signature bond.
Shamar was found guilty of 3 felony counts. The remaining charges were dismissed, but read in. The 12-year-old female passenger was charged with fraudulent use of a credit card, party to a crime, and resisting obstructing an officer. As for the unidentified passenger who fled first from the traffic stop, they were never located or identified. Ultimately, Shamar was sentenced to 2 years in the Wisconsin State Prison,
Probably because that kid had the gun. The way he was clutching to his waistband.
followed by 2 years of extended supervision.
2 years in prison?
Want a deeper look into the
Holy smokes, they sent a message. Holy smokes. Okay, I think the cops did fantastic. They did a good job calling out traffic. I don't know that I would have continued pursuit in certain circumstances with the heavy flow of traffic and the individuals walking around in the city center. Otherwise, I give them a B+. I do these videos every single day. If you like them, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Let me know, what do you think? What do you think they ordered from Dairy Queen? What are you going to order from Dairy Queen today? All right, see you tomorrow. Have a great day.